This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. The following features are included: leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, rain-sensing wipers, reverse sensing system, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.